Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best radiant floor heatings that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the 100 Sqft electric radiant floor heating system. This unit comes along with a digital thermostat to set the heating schedule for a week. The 120-volt mat also generates and delivers the heat to the area up to 100 square featuring moreover, made from high-quality material, this unit is totally safe to use for floor warming. Even, you can safely place the mat on wet spots. This thin mat also comes with the self-adhesive for quick and easy installation. Furthermore, the mesh design of this unit speeds up the heat generation. You can easily install the mat underneath the stone, tile or in a mortar bed under the laminate. The thermostat program includes floor or ambient temperature sensing modes as well. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the This 10 Sqft Mat Kit, 120 volts electric radiant floor heating system. This radiant floor heating system comes along with a 10 square Ft mat. The mat also comes with its adhesive backing for simple and fast installation. Moreover, the strong adhesive keeps the mat in place. The 120-volt electric mat offers 0 electromagnetic fields. The unit comes with a digital programmable floor sensing thermostat and a sensor for accurate heat control. This unit also comes along with a single armored cold lead. Furthermore, the radiant floor heating system is ideal for several floors, like porcelain, ceramic, tile, stone, marble and granite. You can effortlessly lay this mat under the floor of your kitchen and bathroom. This safe-to-use mat is ideal for engineered wood, vinyl, laminates, and other floors as well. Overall, it is one of the best radiant floor heatings on the list. At number 3, we have the 30 Sqft Mat, electric radiant floor heating system. The thin mesh mat of this electric radiant floor heating allows you to customize it as per your requirement. This mat is also perfect for covering the area up to 30 square featuring moreover, this rated 120-volt electronic floor heating mat is totally safe to use. This unit has its own digital thermostat. Even, this smart thermostat accurately senses the floor while heating operation. This mat also comes with a single cold lead. Furthermore, made from high-quality material, this Unit 5 produces no electromagnetic fields. You can stress-freely install the mortar and tile over the top of this system. The accurate floor sensing of this unit allows you to control the floor temperature as per your need. Considering all the features and reviews, it is one of the most affordable and best radiant floor heatings to opt for. At number 2, we have the SunTouch Mat 120 volts floor heat kit 10 Sqft, 24 by 5 feet. The electric floor heating system is ideal to heat up the area up to 10 square Ft. This mat also comes in a mesh design to support quick and easy installation. Moreover, this unit is ideal for DIY projects. The blue cable mainly generates heat. The flexible and bendable cable is ideal for installing through awkward spaces and obstructions. This radiant floor heating mat is not only very much effective in quick heat generation but also very much user-friendly. Furthermore, the set of this unit comes along with a touchscreen thermostat and floor sensor for accurate installation. You can easily trim down the mesh area to set the mat according to your requirement. And finally, at number 1, we have the SunTouch WarmWire 120 volts floor heat kit. This user-friendly floor warmer cable effectively covers the area up to 70.0 square feet. This thin, sturdy and power-saver cable is also very much easy to install beneath any floor. Moreover, the kit comes with a 274 feet spool with 10 feet armored power lead. The cable is very much flexible and bendable. Therefore, you can easily install the warmer without thinking about the obstructions. The kit of this radiant floor heating also comes with a touchscreen and programmable thermostat. Furthermore, you get a floor sensor along with this kit. The thermostat allows you to set program schedules for a week and it senses the floor and air modes before starting the heat production. It is one of the best radiant floor heatings by far. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.